National Youth Day, observed on January 12, is a day dedicated to honoring the vibrancy, potential, and creativity of the younger generation. This significant occasion is not just a date on the calendar, it's a celebration of the aspirations and contributions of youth worldwide. Let's delve into the essence of National Youth Day and explore why it holds paramount importance in acknowledging the role of young minds in shaping our collective future. Commemorating Swami Vivekananda's vision, National Youth Day is particularly meaningful in India as it marks the birthday of Swami Vivekananda, a spiritual luminary and a key figure in India's cultural and philosophical history. His teachings emphasized the empowerment of youth, education, and the synthesis of modern and traditional values. On this day, we reflect on his vision and draw inspiration from his timeless words. Harnessing the energy of youth. Youth is a time of boundless energy, creativity, and the courage to dream big. National Youth Day serves as a reminder to channel this vitality into constructive endeavors. From education and technology to social activism and entrepreneurship, the youth play a pivotal role in driving positive change and innovation. Encouraging social responsibility. Beyond personal growth, National Youth Day encourages a sense of social responsibility among young individuals. Volunteering, community service, and engagement in social causes foster a spirit of compassion and empathy. As the torchbearers of the future, the youth's involvement in addressing societal challenges is crucial. Promoting inclusivity and diversity. Celebrating youth also involves recognizing and embracing diversity. National Youth Day is an opportune moment to appreciate the richness of different cultures, backgrounds, and perspectives. Inclusivity and understanding form the foundation for a harmonious society built by the hands of diverse youth. Education as a catalyst for change. Swami Vivekananda underscored the transformative power of education. On this day, educational institutions organize events that inspire learning, critical thinking, and skill development. National Youth Day serves as a catalyst for nurturing the intellect and preparing the youth for leadership roles. National Youth Day is not just a celebration, it's a call to action. It urges us to recognize the potential within every young person and to provide them with the tools and opportunities they need to thrive. As we commemorate this day, let's commit to supporting and empowering the youth, for in their dreams and actions lies the promise of a brighter tomorrow. Thanks for watching.